After fixing the steel net at the face front of my terrace, my finch sparrows signed an inhale of peace and calm. Otherwise, a mouse had taken this terrace like a late-night restaurant for dinner. At least 10 to 12 finch sparrows, including 6 flying chicks, were brutally killed by that alien killer. That accused mouse used to enter through someway from fibre net and used to eat soft belly tissues. I felt it all downed upon little creatures like a curse. A sad atmosphere fastened around. I used to find empty corpses of the finches. I was really helpless. At last, conclusively, it came precipitated that the only solution is to fix steel net at the front face of the terrace so that beast aliens could be stopped. So was done. It took more than 10 days for Finches to feel confidence and peace. After that, I noticed one female finch who was attempted to kill for eat, and resultantly lost full capability to fly due to cause damaged one wing, laid 4 eggs in mud nest. She started hatching, and his partner is also helping in hatching. Hopefully, chicks will come out of eggs near the 8th of September. Another black finch also laid only a single egg and is hatching. So I hope finches are trying to make their universe normal and happy. If chicks survive and grow enough to come out successfully, then my aviary terrace will be again a happy place.